The bait we've been utilizing today is the new Berkley Jack. Now this is a lipless bait here. And so the first thing we'll start out with is, to me, this is almost like a hybrid lipless bait and blade bait all in one. This bait, as you can see, is very thin here, has a very narrow leading edge. A couple things that this is gonna allow it to do. First, it's gonna fall a lot faster. You're gonna be able to maintain that speed. But at the same time, this leading edge really minimizes the resistance, but yet amplifies the speed of when the action is implied to this bait. It doesn't take a lot of movement in your rod tip to get the action to start with this bait here. And so not only is this have a pile of rattles inside of it, but it also has tungsten BBs. Now those tungsten is gonna obviously allow this bait to be a lot heavier. So this bait here comes in 3 different sizes. You know, the smallest size being the number 6, which is a 1/2 ounce size. Moving up to your more traditional size is going to be your number 7. Now this is a 3/4 ounce, and to me the one that really rounds out the family here is this big number 8. Now this number 8 is a 1 ounce size, but at the same time I wanted a bait that you could fish deeper yet fast enough, especially to tail into those summer months when those fish start sliding in those depths. So to me this is a combination of all those attributes in a bunch of different baits that all got wrapped into one, and I'm really happy with it.